Morning guys, welcome to Southerners on Tour. You've joined me at Medway Sailing Club. I've come for a little event. They've got a trial day today. We're going to try some yachts, some dinghies. We're going to go and see what it's all about.
There you go, thank you very much. Get me a card payment for you. Yeah. I was going to ask you if you want to leave anything for anybody left, make sure you can park the So are you looking forward to tomorrow, boys? Yeah? Lovely, thank you. I shall we say, have a lovely Christmas. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well guys, this is a nice breakfast. Don't know if you can hear me, it's quite noisy in here. Trying to keep my voice down. Don't want to intrude on the other customers. Nice eggs. Hash browns are nice. Nice bit of toast on the side for the eggs. Bacon's nice and crispy. This is in the Harvester, Rising Sun, Dartford. First time on my own trying to film, so I don't know how it's going to come out. Get unlimited tea. Nice breakfast so far. They do an ultimate breakfast as well.
No, not much. She doesn't drink a lot. When she goes out, she chooses when she goes out. But she likes to sleep.
Sausages are nice. Enough flavour with them. Anyway guys, I'll pick you up in a minute, finish this breakfast, let you know how it is. Rate it out of 10. Catch you up in a minute. So guys, just went out on a little cruiser, that was good. I'm going to try and go on a little dinghy now. See what happens. Wayfarer.
Oh, that one, yeah. Tell us about it.
So guys, went on a little taster and now I'm going to go racing. Chucked in the deep end. There she is. Going out on a boat called Skipper. Just going along to meet the skipper. This is the one we're going on. Racing on this. Just sort this out for you.